Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sort stocks on your Etoro. To do so, first of all, go into your Google Chrome browser and search for etoro.com, and it will take you to the official website of Etoro. From then, log into your account like I already did. And after logging into your account, you can see that there is an option for overview, stocks, and crypto right here below the search box. Click on stocks, and it will show you this kind of screen where now you are able to see all of the stocks that are available for you to sort on. Here, choose any of the stocks that you want to sort. For now, I'm going to choose Alibaba. And here on the right hand side of the screen, you can see a trade option. If you click on this, you can see that this pop-up will appear, and beside the buy option, there is an option for sort as well. Now just click on sort and select the amount. And also you can select the stop loss with leverage and take profit, and just after making your configuration, click on sort and you'll be able to sort on Etoro. This was all this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.